this your junk drawer too? Because it's definitely mine. This is my junk drawer in my kitchen, and it is a disaster. I've been trying to organize this junk drawer for a while, just never been able to really find a system to make it work and be organized. And as you guys know, organizational bins and tools are definitely not cheap, and they're quite expensive. So when I saw this 6-pack of drawer organizers from Huntington Home at my local Aldi store this past weekend, I knew I had to get it, and this was going to be my solution. Here are the measurements in case you guys are curious about the dimensions. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take these out of the box. So I did already go ahead and cut the seal to make the box easier to get into. These retail for $4.99 at Aldi's, which is an amazing deal. You can't, I don't know anywhere that you can buy a 6-pack of drawer organizers for $4.99. These are similar to the kind that you can buy in Target, and definitely more worth it than buying the ones at Dollar Tree. So first thing is I do have a little plastic bag, and I'm gonna declutter. So if I don't use it, I'm gonna just go ahead and throw it out. So any kind of junk, things that you never use, never reach for, just go ahead and throw those items out or find someone else to give them to, because obviously if you're not using them, it's not worth keeping. So just going ahead and still decluttering, getting out a lot of things. This is like a very random drawer, so there's a lot of batteries, random things that I'm hanging on to for like kitchen appliances, and a mailbox key, and all kinds of really random things. Some of them, if you know it goes in a different home, definitely go ahead and put it away in the different home. Yeah, I have like 3 rolls of tape actually. I don't know what I'm doing with all that tape. Different kinds of instruction manuals and all kinds of things are in this drawer. So if you do know that there is a different home it should go to, go ahead and put it back where it belongs. But I'm still going ahead and taking everything out. Now we have a nice clean drawer to start from, and if it is dirty or you do have any kind of dust or anything laying around in there, definitely go ahead and clean this out before you start organizing. That way you're starting fresh. So now you just want to go ahead and find what way these best fit in your drawer. And I have a really oddly shaped drawer, so I had to try a couple of times and do a little trial and error before I finally found which way fit the best. Definitely sometimes you need to take them out, put them back in, but eventually you'll find what way you feel works best for your drawer. All right, so going ahead and starting to put everything back in, and just getting the batteries out of the packages, putting those away, putting the scissors away, the tapes, all that stuff, just getting it all in its new home. And again, remember, if you don't have room for it, consider if you really do use it or if you really do need it. Keep this drawer only for the items that you know you're truly going to reach for, that you know are items that you do use and need. Don't keep anything that isn't going to have a actual home. All right, so here is the finished drawer. Look at that. Doesn't it look so much better? I've got the scissors, the little paper pads, pens, batteries. They all have a home. It looks so much better. I'm so proud of myself for just getting this under control. And you can see I still have a little bit of space in the very back, so you can still kind of wedge something back there if you want. The way these drawers are kind of a weird shape kind of created a little gap back there, but I don't mind it too much. Overall, it looks a lot better, and for $4.99 you really can't beat the price for what you're getting. These are really good quality. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and check them out at your local Aldi store if you haven't already. I'll see you all in the next one, and I hope you have a wonderful day or night or whatever it is where you are. Bye guys.